In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cam sensors on this BMW 328i. These are going to be located in the front of the engine. Let's get into it. I'm going to show you how to do the intake cam sensor. The exhaust sensor is going to be very similar. We're going to use a E8 socket. Just get underneath here. And loosen up the bolt. Once you get it loose, you can do it by hand. Take that out. Grab the sensor. Give it a wiggle. Pull that out. Flip it over. There's a tab where the connector is. Just get underneath the tab. Pop that up. And we'll disconnect the connector. There's the sensor. Now just reach in the hole, and there's an O-ring right there. Now take the new sensor, put the new O-ring on, and then you just want to lubricate the O-ring. Use a little dielectric grease, thin coat, or even some silicone paste. There you go. Rub that in. That's good. We'll reach down. I'm going to plug the connector in because it'll be a little bit easier right here. Lock that down. And slide that in place. And just wiggle it into position. And take the screw. Get that started. Snug that down. I'm not going to be able to fit a torque wrench, but if I could fit one, I would torque that to 89 inch-pounds. Now when you're doing the exhaust cam sensor, you're going to take this bracket out that has the coolant hoses and just move that out of the way. You're going to use a E8 socket to take that out. Just move that away, and then the job is going to be the same. You can see the sensor is right here. You're going to use the E8 socket, take the bolt out, take the sensor out, and replace it the same way.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.